makeshift forge. I've seen a guy's YouTube video on doing this exact same thing using charcoal chimney. I've got lump charcoal. I just got it started. I got the hair dryer on low. Just got it started. Over here I got the pan for my vegetable oil. I'm gonna get it heated up to about 130 degrees using my grill. Then I'll cut the grill off when I know it's got up that hot. And when I see these are nice and ready, I'll put the knife in. I'll have some more video of that shortly. I was going to use a wheel, which I got over there, but I decided just for these two knives, I'm going to try it this way. Got the toaster oven ready for tempering once I'm done. So you just have to wait and see what happens. Now, as you can see, that blade is down in there, and it's very hot. I'm not even having to use the hair dryer now. Of course, I'm glad of that because it quit working. There's the oil. It's up to about 48 Celsius. It's almost 130 degrees. So I'll be pulling that knife out here in a little bit, check to see if it's magnetic. So that I won't be able to video, I'm using my phone. Okay, I got mine quenched in the oil. I'm getting ready to put Jerod's knife in. And then we'll see where it goes from there. I'm leaving mine in there, keep that water. I need to check the water. Sorry about that. Keep the oil. The oil right now is at 59, 61, 62 Celsius. But my blade was non-magnetic. So we just got to wait now on Jerod's and see what happens. I'll clean the scales off. I'll check it here in a minute, see if a file will do anything. But I'm going to wait now and do Jerod's. Things I have out here is I got a file. There's my vegetable oil. Got a file. I got a steel brush. Had the aluminum tape for the hair dryer, which it worked. It really got that going up hot. But then the hair dryer gave out. I don't even think. Yeah, there it comes. It's working now. I may try to do that to get Jerod's heated up quicker. I don't know. But it quit working. I guess it overheated. So I'm going to keep a check on Jerod's and I'll be back. Okay, we're done. Jerod's is in there. Cooling off. Mine's done cooled off. I need to get some paper towels and get them out of there and wipe them down and everything. See if a file takes to them, and then put them in the toaster oven to temper. And we will see. Again, I'm not a knife maker. This is my first attempt, but so far looks so good. I checked them with the magnet. The only thing that was still magnetized was back up here on the where the scales go, but the blade area was non-magnetic, so we'll see. Okay, I'm wiping this knife down. This is mine. I'm going to test it with a file. Yeah, I can't tell. It's taking the scaling off, but it don't look like it's doing anything to the metal. Just taking the scales off of it. Still looks straight. It doesn't look warped. Sorry for the dog barking. Like I said, it was non-magnetic before I stuck it in the quenching oil. So let me get Jerod's out. Okay, there's Jerod's. Get the scales off of it. Get the oil wiped off of it. It don't feel like it's doing it. I don't know. This is my first attempt and not having a real forge. And like I said, I watched this one guy in his backyard do the same thing I just did using a charcoal chimney, and his turned out all right. So I'm ready to fire up the oven. I'm trying to look here to see if Jerod's looks warped, and it doesn't. Looks good. I don't see no cracks. So I'm ready to go to the toaster oven, set it at 400 degrees, and put them in there for 2 hours and see what happens. Only time will tell. Like I said, just starting doing this. We'll just have to wait and see how it turns out. Okay, got the toaster oven going. It's 154, 155 Celsius. I've got to get it up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll have to do the convert and see what Celsius would be. But once I get them in there, it'd be 2 hours. I think it was 224 Celsius, but I'll check and see. Okay, it's 204 Celsius equals 400 degrees. There's my knife. And yes, the file was not cutting metal. I checked the sound of the file going across the spine here against going across the spine here, and a different tone altogether. So as soon as that thing gets up to temperature, I'll stick the knives in there and then start the clock for 2 hours. Okay, there's the knives. They're in the toaster oven. Of course, opened up the door, the temperature dropped, and I'm outside with it. But we're up to 194. It's got to get to 204, but it is now 5:38. So I'll leave them in there for 2 hours, and we'll start the process and see if we got a knife. We're at 202, 203. So all it is now is a waiting game.